What's up, guys? Welcome back to 21 Moto. Guess what? It's here. Yes. My ECU just came back from V-Cycle.net. Let's open up this. It's my stock ECU, but V-Cycle.net flashed it. It's been like a week without riding the bike. I've been just dreaming about it. I have the bike halfway apart, and it's just been sitting there all sad, taken apart, and I'm just as sad trying to just can't ride it, you know? Can't ride it because it doesn't have an ECU, it doesn't have a brain. It's got no brain. But now it's got a brain. A little bit of an insane brain. That's good. Okay, it's out of the package. I got, of course, a sticker. Let's go. There it is. A V-Cycle.net sticker. Thank you, V-Cycle.net. Woo! And instructions, of course. The ECU. There it is. It's here. And let's go put it in the bike and hear it and go for a ride. Yes. All right. So I saw on the internet the people talking about how to remove your tank, but I think I don't know if this is just in the 2026 version of this bike. There's a hinge on the tank. It feels like in the front, so you can actually lift it up without taking off the fuel tank. So we can basically remove and install the ECU without taking off the fuel tank. So I just basically removed these bolts, and a bunch of other stuff appeared on the tank, so I could loosen it up. And I just go here, put that there so it doesn't close on me, right? And basically access to the ECU is right there. Here, I'll show you. See, the ECU goes like right here in this slot. And basically I just have to remove this fuel line, and the connector that I removed earlier, it's already removed right here. But basically once that's removed, you have free access to slide the ECU out and unplug it and plug it back in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't need to take off the whole tank. Here. There it is. Just gonna dab right here so the fuel that's stuck in this thing doesn't leak anywhere. Okay, so we unplugged the vacuum hose here and the fuel line, and then we also have a connector that goes to the fuel pump. Okay, but basically these connectors are just sitting back here. Even though I don't have an ECU in there now, I unplugged them. I left them, tucked them back in there so I can close the fuel tank. Okay, so there it is. Those are the plugs. Bam, bam, bam. And we're gonna plug those into the ECU. I think it goes this way. Yeah. Make sure. Yep. So let's put this in. I'm gonna put it into the slot, so I don't have to mess with it once it's plugged in. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, it was slipped. Here. Okay, that clicked. Then we go this one. This one's slots are good. There. This one goes here. 3 satisfying clicks. And now let's put this in the slot. In the ECU slot. There it is. Ready to rock. Yeah, that's cool. Put this vacuum hose on here. And that's on there. Put the clip up to the blue dot. Okay, next, clip in the fuel line all the way up there, and close the clamp with a satisfying click, and then the power for the pump. There it is. Fuel pump is done. Okay, that's it. Everything's done. Take this out. Lower it carefully. Okay, the ECU is installed. Let's do the first time we turn it on since Let's see if it works. Alright, so I do have the engine, the check engine light, which is as expected. That is a cold start. Sounds awesome. Alright. We're back. We are back. Yes. Okay. And we're gonna put on about 20 miles for the ECU to reset. We're at 268 miles, so we put about 20 miles so the ECU can reset. That's the plan for this ride. The bike feels amazing. So we need to get to 288 miles. And that should just about get rid of the check engine light. So how can we do that? Let's go to the coast. And hopefully that's not too much traffic. Look at that beautiful ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Looks calm. Oh, we got some surf right here. Woo, what a view. The waves are actually pretty nice. This guy's so far back right here. They're both so far back. It's crazy. There it is, 288. I want to find a place to stop here and turn the bike off, turn it back on, see if that clears the check engine light. I'm gonna stop right here so we can turn this baby off and see if we can get the tune. See if we can get the let's see if that clears the ECU. Turn it off completely. Okay. Turn it back on. Let it do its thing. Turn it back on. I don't know if that cleared it or not. Didn't clear it, but might just take a couple more miles, some more ignition cycles. That's okay. It's the next day, and I'm gonna go do a little post office run. I'm also gonna go to Costco real quick. But when I turned on the bike this morning, I saw that there's no check engine light, so that check engine light cleared. So now we are officially 100% done with these mods. It's so nice to be complete. So we're done. Exhaust is in, the tune is on. We got the little windscreen right here. We got the mirrors done. We got the, what else? The tail tidy. We got the frame sliders. A lot of stuff got done. I'll do a video of all the mods I did to this bike after this video actually, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you follow or subscribe and hit that bell. Awesome. So yeah, excited to be done with the mods and just start to enjoy the bike, really start to plan some longer rides, some long distance rides. So it should be exciting. Can't wait. But for now, we're doing just like little grocery runs, little local things, just to get familiar with the bike and put more miles on it. We don't want to do a really long trip yet until we're done with the first maintenance. Once we're done with the first maintenance, then we can do a long distance ride. Like longer than a couple 100 miles, right? So it should be good. Long distance ride. Want to go up to the town where I lived most of my childhood. It's called Fillmore. It's in Ventura County. So I want to ride up there and kind of just ride around town, ride around where like I used to live, the school I used to go to, the places I used to hang out, and see what they're like today. I wish I had video from back in the day, but I don't. Like that technology was just like unheard of. You had to do like actual video camera, like with film, you know. Right, I sold some stuff on eBay. I'm gonna drop this real quick in the mailbox, and then we're gonna continue on to Costco. But it's hot today. It's about 80. It's about 80 already. But just be quick. I'm just gonna drop it off real quick. I'm gonna leave my phone there too. Hopefully we don't get robbed. All right, it's done. You're welcome. Always open the door for elderly people, guys. Come on. Common courtesy. Not so common courtesy anymore. But look at that beauty. Beautiful bike. Hey, can't believe that's my bike. I can't believe that's my bike. Rev bomb. still can't get to over 6,000 RPM, so we still got to short shift it. All right, we got the meats. We got a backpack of 20 pounds of meat. That's a giant slab of meat. So we're all set. We got the goods, and I go home and process it. I basically break it down from a one big giant piece of 20-pound chunk of meat into about an inch, I'd say about an inch, about an inch thick sticks. I don't do any thicker than that because it's easier to cure. It's easier to cook them outside of it's easier to cook them on a stainless skillet if I do them about an inch. So that's good. Now this backpack's heavy. We're at 305 miles now. We broke 300. I didn't even notice. 305 miles on the MT-09 SP. It's doing good. All right, so pretty much that is the wrap up for the mods. I mean, we're just waiting basically for that. We're just basically waiting at this point for the ECU error codes to clear, right? For the check engine light to go away, and it went away this morning. So like I said earlier, we're gonna ride this thing and have fun. We do have to get into this left turning lane here in a little bit. Probably sneak in at the top. Yeah, we'll sneak in at the very top. And then cheat right here. Cheat the system. This guy left me some room, so we're going. This thing rips. Overall, the bike feels amazing. I'm happy I picked up the bike. I wish I would have probably got it sooner. But it's okay. It came at a good time. I'm at a good point in my life where I can ride and like I said before, do some trips. So it's good.